Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you exactly how you can create a paper account, a working paper account in Nigeria. So first, go to your Play Store and search for Tunnel VPN. You can also use paid VPN, but I'm just using this for the video tutorial. So if you want to create a working paper account, you must use paid VPN. Here is the VPN, the Tunnel VPN. Download it and open it. Create account and connect your location to United Kingdom. Make sure when you are creating a paper account, you use paid VPN. Here, connect your location to United Kingdom. You can see this menu. Click on it and select the location you want to connect to. Select United Kingdom. You can see it here. Make sure it's finished loading. You can see it's connecting. Here is how you can know if your VPN is connected to the country you choose. Go to Google Chrome or any browser, search for my location to see if the VPN is working. You can see my location has changed to London, which is United Kingdom. So next thing is to clear your browser history. Clear your browser history. To clear your browser history, click on these three dots here. Make sure you use Chrome browser. Click on history. So you can see delete browsing data. Click on it. So click on delete data. So when you finish deleting your browser history, then go back to the browser and search for Paper UK. Here it is, search for Paper UK and then click on it. You can see this is the second website. Here it is, Paper UK. Click on this. It will redirect you to Paper website where you can create your paper account. So before you create a paper account, you need to create a new Gmail account. a new email account which you can use to create your paper account. Click on sign up. You can choose, you can see they have personal account and business account. Click on personal and then click on sign up. So here it is. Click, they have personal and business account. You need to click on personal and then click on get started. So here is where you pasted your email address you created. Make sure it is new email. So let me set example. Let me put this my Gmail. So after putting your email address, click on next. So here is where the problem is. You can see they said you should put your phone number, which is United Kingdom phone number. You need to have a UK number which you put here. So to get a UK number, you must buy a number or rent a number. So if you want to rent a number or buy a number, just message me on WhatsApp. So I will get you a number which you can put here. I will get you a number which you can put here. You can either rent or buy a number. So UK number is not for free, you can't get it for free. Let me copy my UK number and then paste it here so that I will show you exactly how it works, how you can do it yourself. So I need to paste the number. So I will remove the first 44, the country code. So after pasting the number, click on next. So they will send a verification code to that number. So they sent a verification code. So I will go back to my number and then copy the verification code they sent. I've got the code, then paste it here. So after pasting your code, you will see security prompt. Just wait for it to load. So next thing is to create a password. Make sure password you created is password you can remember. Create a password you can remember. Let's create a random password. So after creating a password, then click on next. So here is where you can fill your personal details. Here you can see the nationality is United Kingdom. Just leave it like this. Leave it like that. So yeah, put your first name, your last name, and date of birth. So what you need to know is put the name that is like your NIN, the name on your NIN. I recommend putting your name, the name on your NIN, because you will link your bank account on your US bank account on your paper. You will link your US bank account in your paper. So that's your US bank account. You need to create it and you do a KYC with your NIN. So then want anything to match. So when you create a paper account, make sure you're using the name on your NIN. So just for example, I'm using my own. And then the date of birth. We choose the one on your NIN. Okay, then click on next after finish. So next is you need to put your postal code. Go to Google and search for United Postcode. Search for United Postcode and select any of them here. Select any of them there and then paste it here. Just let me search for it. I will come back. You can see I've pasted this. So I need to select. You can see they show me different address in the same postal code I pasted. So let me choose any of this. Let me choose this. So you can see the city, the postcode, the address, everything. So here address line 2. Go back to Google, search for UK address and paste it here. Let me say for example, just let me put anything because I'm not using this paper. I'm just using to show you how to create a paper account. Then after put everything, tick this box and then click on agree and create account. So after that, it will show you confirm your address. Click on continue. So like this, you have successfully created your paper account. So next video, I will make a video on how you can create your UK bank account and how you can link your bank account to your paper accounts for withdrawal. So if you want me to create that video, please like this video and then subscribe to my channel so that in case I posted it, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So if you need the UK number, you can message me on WhatsApp. I will drop my WhatsApp link. I'll drop my WhatsApp link in the comment section. You can message me directly to get your UK number. Either you want to buy or you want to rent a UK number. You can message me. I will get you a UK number, which you can use to create a paper account for yourself. So make sure If you are using a VPN, make sure the VPN you are using is Tunnel VPN. And then anytime you want to log in on your paper account, don't use Chrome. When you are creating the paper account, use Chrome to create it, but after, use any type of browser. You can use Phoenix browser, you can use Firefox, Kiwi browser, anyone.